Acicia Hasanuddin. My ID number is A121-17069. I am 21 years old. I am a student of the 17th class of English Education Study Program assigned to Madrasah Alia Negeri Insan Cendekia Palu for implementing PLP online. I made a learning video with 11th grade. Material is personal letter. Welcome back to my channel with me, Nur Acicia Hasanuddin, but you can call me Miss Cici. Okay, this is the sub-material for today. First is example of personal letters. Second is definition of personal letters. Third is linguistic feature. Fourth is structure of personal letters. And the last is social function of personal letters. Okay, today is lesson we will talk about personal letters. Kalian pernah nggak sih menulis surat untuk orang tua atau ke saudara or sepupu atau mungkin teman? Okay, let's see the example of personal letters. Okay, kita akan membaca contoh dari surat dari personal lettersnya. 12 in January 2014. 35 Seginggi Raya, Lombok, 75009 Nusa Tenggara Timur. My dear lovely city. Hello, how are you, sweetie? I know you are angry with me because I am writing to you after a long time. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. You know we are in Lombok right now. It is so beautiful beyond imagination. I am writing to you from this really cute little cafe on the Seginggi beach. As you know, love so feeling so goes and will go for hours. I took a rain check from shopping and decided to write to you while I enjoy my cup of coffee. You know, yesterday we went to Bilnangu Island. It is a beach on the southwest of Lombok. The place is awesome. It is so beautiful. I couldn't believe my eyes. There are beautiful coral reefs everywhere. We went for snorkeling and we saw the most amazing fish ever. I wish you were here. It would have been much more fun. Was making sure that we didn't miss any sight of the whole city. So we had practically been everywhere. I have to go. It's here. I will see you soon. Lots of love. Lana. P.S. I'm bringing you lots of souvenir and picture. Nah, itulah tadi salah satu contoh personal letters. The definition of personal letters. Personal letter is a letter that is written to people we know, such as friends, parents, siblings, or cousins. Letters are not only written to inform but to inform strengthen the bond between two people writing to each other. Okay, the next is linguistic features. Linguistic feature ada banyak versi. Ya, karena linguistic features itu bergantung pada konten dari surat kamu. For example, kalian menulis surat yang menceritakan pengalaman or liburan kalian di masa lalu atau tahun lalu atau bulan lalu. You will use past tense atau semua yang menggunakan past. And ketika surat kalian menceritakan tentang liburan yang terjadi di akan datang atau kalian merencanakan liburan yang akan terjadi di masa mendatang, you will use the future tense. And kalau kalian juga ingin menulis surat yang menceritakan kejadian-kejadian pada saat ini, breaking news pada saat ini, kalian bisa menggunakan present tense. Jadi untuk penggunaan linguistiknya, penggunaan language itu bergantung dengan konten dari surat kamu. But remember ya, dalam penggunaan grammarnya harus tepat. This is sentences structure. First is a query of grammar is important. Second, complete sentence are expected. Third, slang can be used. The example for slang, kalian bisa menggunakan dalam surat kalian itu, kalian bisa menggunakan hi guys or bro, sis, bahasa sehari-hari. Next, use the contractions such as I'll, I'm, will. Next is use personal pronouns such as I, we, you, or use active voice. Okay, the next is stylenya. Language use might be personal like first and second person pronouns. Second, be one. Third, use the person's name you are writing to. Four, write in natural conversational style. And the last, let your personality shine through in your writing. Okay, next is structure of personal letters. First is date. Date, month, years. Date when the letter is written. Second is address. Place where you are writing from. Tempat di mana kalian akan mengirimkan alamat itu. Next, salutation and name, greeting and the person name you're writing to. Misal kalian bisa menggunakan my dear, dear Iqbal, dear Sehun, like this. Next is introduction. The opening of the letter usually start with how are you, or refers to previous letter. How are you? Misal hi sweetie, like this. Next is body, the main part of the letter. It includes what you want to write to the other person. Body adalah isi dari surat kalian, inti dari suratnya. Okay, next, closure. Closure, the part indicates the letter is going to end. Nah, ini akhir dari surat kalian. Misal kalian menulis, ya sudah dulu ya, nanti lagi, begitu. Like this. The next is complimentary clause, short expression like love you, sincerely, yours, love, like this. The next is signature. Signature or initial of the writer, nama kalian, nama pengirim. Misal, Cici or Lisa, like this. The next is postscript PS. After dot in a letter, you begin with PS and end it with your friends. Misalnya kalian sudah menulis dari panjang-panjang nih, terus kalian ada satu yang lupa dikatakan di surat kalian. Jadi kalian boleh menulis PS di bawah apa yang kalian lupa. Okay, the next is social function. Some useful expression for letter writing. First is gratitude. For example, I'm just writing to thank you for it was very kind of you too, and thanks very much for, and I'm very grateful for. Next is giving advice. Well, I thought about it, and if were you, I would. Next is have you talked about, and in your last letter you said you weren't sure what course of action to. Seperti itu. Next is delivering good news, memberitahu kabar baik. Contohnya, first, I'm sure you will be happy to hear that, like this. Next, I'm I'm sure that you'll be interested to know that. Gitu. Next is delivering bad news, memberitahukan kabar buruk. I'm sorry, but I have to tell you that. Bad news, I'm afraid but no way to avoid it, so here it goes. I'm extremely sorry to hear that. Seperti itu, kabar-kabar buruk. Next is asking for help, meminta bantuan, menulis surat, menceritakan untuk meminta bantuan. First, the example, I wonder if you could help me. Second, I hope it is not too much to ask, but gitu. Yang terakhir, apologize. I would like to apologize for. I'm so sorry that. Seperti itu. Jadi itu tadi some expression for letter writing in personal letters. Oke, selanjutnya example of expression used in personal letters. First, salutation. Salutation contohnya yang seperti tadi yang saya bilang itu dear, dearest, sweetheart, darling, my dear, like this. Second, closing. Closing contohnya yours with love, sincerely. Next is starting the letter. Ini kalau introduction-nya, kalau kalian ingin memulai surat kalian, kalian harus bertanya kabar. Seperti how are you? Hope this letter finds you, like this. The next is conclusion. Contohnya, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Seperti itu. And see you, like that. Okay. Itu tadi example of expression used in personal letters. Saatnya kita akan menganalisis personal letter. Kita akan menganalisis surat pribadi. Oke, ini. Nih, 12 in January 2014. Ini date-nya pada saat kalian menulis surat. Terus ini street-nya, alamat yang akan dikirimkan surat. Ini 35 Seginggi Raya, Lombok, Nusa Tenggara Timur. Terus salutation-nya, ini salutation-nya my dear lovely city, my dear lovely city. Terus greeting-nya, ini awalannya greeting, hello. Terus ini introduction-nya, menanyakan kabar. How are you, sweetie? I know you are angry with me because I'm writing to you after a long time. Nah, ini the content of the letters, inti badinya, inti dari suratnya. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. You know we are in Lombok right now. It is so beautiful beyond imagination. I'm writing to you from this really cute little cafe on the Seginggi Beach. Jadi dia berada di Seginggi Beach. As you know, love shopping. So she goes and will go for hours. I took a rain check from shopping and decided to write you while I enjoy my cup of coffee. Nah, ini lagi. You know, yesterday we went to Gilnanggu Island. Jadi dia bercerita ingin pergi ke Nanggu Island. It is a beach on the southwest of Lombok. The place is awesome. It is so beautiful, couldn't believe my eyes. There are beautiful coral reefs everywhere. We went for snorkeling and we saw the most amazing fish ever. I wish you were here. It would have been much more fun. Was making sure that we didn't miss any site in the whole city, so we had practically been everywhere. Jadi itu badinya, inti dari suratnya. Nah, sekarang kita closure. I have to go, is here. I will see you soon. Itu closure-nya. Nah, ini untuk closing, lots of love, sincerely, like this. Tapi di sini dia menggunakan lots of love. Nah, ini signature-nya, nama kamu saat kamu mengirimkan surat ke teman kamu atau ke saudara. Misal Lana di ini. Jadi pengirimnya itu Lana. Terus, nah, di sini ada PS-nya, postscript-nya. Berarti ada satu kata yang dia lupa pada saat menuliskan surat. Dia menulis, I'm bringing you lots of souvenir and picture. Oke, tadi kita sudah menganalisis personal letter. Jadi kalian mungkin sudah mengetahui apa itu personal letter, dan strukturnya, social functionnya. Jadi ini ada beberapa contoh the example of personal letters. Nih, Dear Ailia. Nah, kalian sudah lihat seperti ini. Ini contoh surat pribadi, personal letters. Oke, ini ada satu contoh lagi. Oke, kalian sudah lihat ada beberapa contoh surat pribadi. Nah, kita kan sudah belajar, the definition personal letter, sudah melihat contohnya, and social functionnya, structure-nya. Jadi, saya harap kalian mengerti apa itu personal letter, dan kalian ketika waktu ingin menulis surat untuk keluarga dan saudara kalian sudah tahu personal letter, jadi kalian bisa menulis. Jadi, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.